Hello friends, welcome to today's fun lesson. Today we are going to learn the parts of the human body. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi, I'm Maya. Welcome to our class. Let's learn about the parts of the human body together.
Let's learn together.
Head. This is the head. Head. Hair. This is the hair. Hair. Forehead. This is the forehead. Forehead. Eye. This is the eyes. Eye. Eyebrow. This is the eyebrow. Eyebrow. Ear. This is the ear. Ear. Nose. This is the nose. Nose. Cheek. This is the cheek. Cheek. Mouth. This is the mouth. Mouth. Lips. These are the lips. Lips. Teeth. These are the teeth. Teeth. Tongue. This is the tongue. Tongue. Chin. This is the chin. Chin. Neck. This is the neck. Neck. Shoulder. This is the shoulder. Shoulder. Arm. This is the arm. Arm. Elbow. This is the elbow.
Let's make it move.
Elbow.
Elbow.
Wrist. This is the wrist.
Wrist.
Wrist. Hand. This is the hand. Hand. Finger. This is the finger. Finger. Thumb.
Thumbs up. Good
This
job.
is the thumb. Thumb. Chest.
This is my chest.
This is the
I can
chest.
feel my heart beating here.
Chest. Stomach. This is the stomach. Stomach. Hip.
Wiggle.
This is the hip. Hip. Leg. This is the leg. Leg. Knee. This is the knee. Knee. Ankle.
Ankle.
This is the ankle. Ankle. Foot. This is the foot. Foot. Heel. This is the heel. Heel. Toe. This is the toe. Toe. Great job, friends. Now let's say them all together. Are you ready? Here we go. Head, hair, forehead, eye, eyebrow, ear, nose, cheek, mouth, lips, teeth, tongue, chin, neck, shoulder, arm, elbow, wrist, hand, finger, thumb, chest, stomach, hip, leg, knee, ankle, foot, heel, toe. Amazing! You know all 30 parts of the human body. You are so smart. Wonderful work today. You learned all the parts of the human body. You are a superstar. If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share and subscribe to Inside Body Third Anatomy so you never miss our fun learning videos. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.